Hello students, now we'll see question number 11 from the chapter Carbonyl Compounds. How are the following conversions effected? Propanal into propanone. The formula for propanal is CH3, CH2, CHO, 3 carbon atoms into butanone, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. So there is increase in the number of carbon atoms. It got 3 carbon atoms, butanone got 4 carbon atoms. There is increase in the number of carbon atoms. This can be done with methyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reagent. With Grignard reagent, 1 carbon atom is increased. CH3, CH2, I am writing this propanal, C, H and double bond O. When this is added, there is a nucleophilic addition, CH3, CH2, CH, and in this CH3 MgBr, the bond breaks like this. CH3 gets negative charge and MgBr gets positive charge. And this pi bond is shifted to oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. And now the positive and negative is joined. O and MgBr is connected. OMgBr. And then with this CH3 comes and joins, so it is CH3. Now this is the first step. Next step is hydrolysis. Next to Grignard reagent, the next step will be hydrolysis. So on hydrolysis, this bond breaks and hydrogen from water comes and attaches to this oxygen. So it is CH3, CH2, C, already one hydrogen is here, and with this oxygen, hydrogen from water comes and makes a bond. So this is the compound formed, and the name of the compound is butanol. Since OH is here, it is 4 carbon atoms and it is butanol. The next step is oxidation of this butanol. On oxidation with chromic anhydride, CO3, it is chromic anhydride. Or with another reagent with copper at 573 Kelvin. If it is heated, we get the compound butanone. This is secondary alcohol, CHOH. The secondary alcohol is converted to ketone group, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This is butanone. So first add Grignard reagent and you get an addition product, and then on hydrolysis we get CHOH group. This is secondary alcohol, and the secondary alcohol on oxidation gets a ketone group, that is butanone. Now we'll see the second one. Hex 3-ine into hexane 3-one. Hex 3-ine, the third carbon, there is triple bond. This hex 3-ine, to convert into hexanone, we have to change into a keto group. Third carbon should be changed to keto group. On treatment with mercuric sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid, H2SO4. In the presence of this, water from this dilute sulfuric acid, we can write water as HOH. Water is added to the triple bond. One carbon takes the hydrogen, another carbon takes the OH, and the triple bond is converted to double bond. So this reaction is hydration of alkyne, or it is addition of water. Hydration. On treatment, we get the compound. This is the compound formed, CH and OH, and this is an unstable compound, and it is the intermediate. It is an enol form. The form is enol form, and this intermediate compound isomerizes, or the isomerism is tautomerism, or it tautomerizes. Here what happens is the bond between this oxygen and hydrogen is shifted to this carbon, and this bond is shifted to this carbon, and now this carbon has extra electron, and this hydrogen takes the electron and makes bond with this carbon. Now this carbon becomes CH2, and now here the bond goes here, so this carbon gets double bond character. So it is CH3, CH2. Now this carbon becomes CH2 because it takes this hydrogen and becomes CH2. Then it becomes single bond, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is hexanone. Third position, there is double bond, so it is hexan 3-one. Phenyl methanal into benzoic acid. Phenyl methanal is benzaldehyde, CHO. It is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde to benzoic acid. This is done on oxidation with acidified KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. In the presence of this acidified KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7, we get benzoic acid. Now the next question. Phenyl methanal into benzoin. Phenyl methanal is benzaldehyde. It's benzaldehyde into benzoin. This can be done with two molecules of benzaldehyde. This is benzoin condensation. So two molecules of benzaldehyde in the presence of aqueous alcoholic KOH, C6H5, two molecules of benzaldehyde, in the presence of aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide KCN, benzoin forms. This hydrogen is shifted to this oxygen, and this makes a bond with carbon. So it is C6H5, C, CH, OH, C double bond O, or we can put this down, double bond O, C6H5. This is benzoin. C6H5, and with this CH, this hydrogen comes and joins, so it is COH, and the remaining C double bond O, C6H5. Two molecules of benzaldehyde joins and form, this is benzaldehyde. In the presence of aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide, reacts, forms benzoin. This is benzoin condensation.